50 English Proverbs Part 1. Proverbs that everyone should know. Proverb. A proverb is a well-known sentence or phrase stating a general truth or advice. The knowledge and application of proverbs make one's language powerful, strong, and beautiful. A person who uses proverbs in his speech and writing leaves an everlasting impact in the minds of everyone. So, master it and be one. "50 Popular English Proverbs." One. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Two. As you sow, so shall you reap. Three. Birds of a feather flock together. Four. Barking dog seldom bite. Five. Cut your coat according to your cloth. Six. Curiosity kills the cat. Seven. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Eight. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched out. Nine. Empty vessels make much noise. 10. Experience is the best teacher. 11. Failure is the stepping stone to success. 12. Friend to all is a friend to none. 13. God helps those who help themselves. 14. Great talkers are little doers. 15. He knows most who speaks least. 16. Honesty is the best policy. 17. If fishes were horses, beggars might ride on it. 18. It is easier to pull down than to build. 19. Kind words are worth much, and cost little. 20. Love is blind. 21. Lend only what you can afford to lose. 22. Let bygones be bygones. 23. Make hay while the sun shines. 24. Manners maketh man. 25. Man proposes, God disposes. This is the end of part 1. For more videos, visit again AK Sir Anatharikil. Subscribe the channel. We'll continue in part 2. 50 English proverbs will continue in part 2.